In front of me is OPPO Find X8 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by opening settings and scrolling to hit display and brightness. Then scroll again to hit font. Hit more over here and select perfect font style for you. When you find it, click on it, choose apply and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, style of my font has changed. If you wish to go back to your default one, go into display and brightness again, scroll down to hit font and apply one of those. Then hit apply to save it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!